for the money. This is my best budget knife for all of 2021 and now we're in 2022. Alright, I hate the billboard. I don't know what that is, Ho Ming, something like that. It's a Wong design, which cracked me up. It's not a right design, it's a Wong design. But Mr. Wong has done a good job on this one. Look at that swedge there on the top of the blade. Big blade, it's 3 3/4 inches. Nice jimping here for your thumb. I love this cutout. This cutout, it makes it a big fidget knife. And the choil there, you can whack your finger in there for intricate cutting. I've been throwing this thing into bits of wood and cutting sticks and cutting paper and all sorts. It's been in the mud. And that's all just this morning. G10, it's contoured. Nice shape to it. Feels awesome in your hand. I've got extra large hands. Tons of extra sticking out here. There's a place for a lanyard. The back spacer is stainless steel. It's built like a little tank. And the liners are stainless steel. The locking bar is a good size. Look at that lockup bar there. That's a good size lockup bar. 3.41 mil. So there you go, guys. Good sized locking bar. Droppy shut. The flipper. Nice little bit of jimping there. Smooth as silk on its ball bearings. 8CR 13 MOV steel. Good working steel. It's a fidget flicking demon. Multiple fingers if you're good enough. I've done it with a couple of different fingers. Let's try with index finger. It's a tough one to do. There you go, we got it. Droppy shut, like I said. The detent is perfect on this thing. I love the detent. Look at that. It came with a pouch that I'll show you now. Look at that, fur lined. Cool, nice little sleeping bag for a couple of good knives. It even came with a sharpening stone and a torque screw bar for both types of screws on here. I think it's T6 and T8. Look at that thing. So if you can get past that, you could probably take that off with a bit of sandpaper. But that side makes me laugh. Look at the lockup there. The lockup is great. The blade centering, perfect. It's just built really well. Look inside here. Inside the back space has hollowed out inside to make it a little lighter. It weighs, I'll put the weight at the top of the screen, but memory 5.4, which is like over 2 ounces lighter than the Buck 10. Now for me, I got this because it was cheap. I thought I'd take a chance on it to do some mods to dye the scales. I was going to put a G10 backspacer in there, but I'm not going to do any of that. I'm going to leave it exactly as it is, because this is an awesome, hard working knife. If you work on a farm or in a factory and you're always cutting boxes open or whatever, or just for EDC, this is a pokey knife. Beautiful swedge there, flat grind. I thought it was a slight hollow, but I don't think it is. I think it's just a flat, slicey grind. Pretty stout blade there. Almost 4 mil thick. 3.8 or something. 3.87. That's knocking on the door of 4 mil. And at the tip, about 1.5 mil at the tip. Yeah, can't say enough good things about this knife. I like it a lot. The detent, it just feels great. Now it's not super deep carry, but it's the right height for a working knife. You don't want to be hiding a working knife. You want it so you can grab it. I mean, you could have a lanyard on here too, but you want it so you can grab it. You don't want it buried, you're not hiding it. But if you want super deep carry, the Civivi clips fit on there just great. So just a tiny little bit of filing or little drill work, tiny bit, like a millimeter up, and this fits on here just fine, and that'll give you a super deep carry. Cool knife, I like it a lot. And like I say, it's not bad carry position, it's just not super deep. But it is super strong. I mean, that on its own. Alright, enough of all that, I'll show you quickly. Peanut's waiting patiently here. Alright, we're out of battery. Catch you later, guys. Catch you later, guys. Catch you later, guys. Alright, we're going to carry on. Yeah, this thing's sharp too. Is it shaving sharp? Is it? Yep, shaving sharp, no problem. Quick size comparison here. We got the case rust lock. We got the 3 rivet from Otamese. The whole Ming itself. Wong design. That cracks me up. Less than 20 bucks delivered to your door. With the cool pouch. And a sharpening stone. And a torque screw. Best work knife I've seen. Not just this year, because we're just in 2022, but including last year. It's the best one I've seen for the money.